Hello, I am Berk. I represent Group 17. Today I would like to talk about our project, a real-time chat application which we made for the design pattern course. Here is the topics of our presentation. We will check the project idea, how the system is built, and the most importantly, the design patterns we use. Our goal was to build a stable chat app using Spring Boot. The main point of this project is to show how design patterns solve real problems in software design. It has key features like user login, server channel management, real-time messaging, moderation actions, and user preferences. We use the standard layered architecture for the backend. We code in Java Spring Boot using WebSocket and instant messaging. We choose Flutter for the front end and PostgreSQL for data storage. Here is our UML diagram. To sum up, this project successfully shows a strong chat architecture. Using patterns like Factory and Observer makes our code clean and flexible. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, I am Ramazan. I will be walking you through the engineering behind our community-based real-time chat application. Especially, we are going to look at the design patterns. Let's look at why these patterns very crucial for on our development and production process. Our application isn't just a simple CRUD application. It requires real-time concurrency and needs to grow over time. We choose these standard architectural patterns to ensure our code remains modular and easy to debug. First up is the factory pattern. In a chat app, we have many types of channels. Text, voice, maybe forums in the future. Instead of scattering new text channel calls everywhere, we delegate this to factory. We also use a factory provider, which acts like a registry. It lets our services ask for the correct factory dynamically without writing messy if-else statements. Next, for moderation and user actions, we use the comment pattern. Think about slash comments like kick, mute. We encapsulate these requests into standalone objects. This separates the code that receives the comment pattern from the code that executes it. If we want to add new comment later, like slash ban, we just create a new class. We don't break existing code. Real-time features rely heavily on the observer pattern. When a user sends a message, multiple things happen at once. We broadcast it via WebSockets and we send push notifications. The message service acts as a subject and notifies all the observers automatically. Handling different messaging contexts can get complicated. Sending a direct message is very different from posting in a public channel. We use the strategy pattern to handle this. We define common interface and then swap between private messaging strategy and channel messaging strategy at runtime. This removes complex conditional logic and keeps our code clean. For managing active connections, we use the singleton pattern, especially for our WebSocket connection manager. We need a single global source of truth to know which users are online and which session belongs to whom. Singleton ensures we don't have conflicting states across the application. These patterns are not just academic exercise. They solve real problems like factory gives us flexibility, command and strategy gives us modularity, and observer drives our real-time events like messaging, notifications, these things. Now you will see the how system works properly in the next section. Time to jump the demo. Thanks for listening to me.
Now I will briefly demonstrate how our application works. I will start with creating a new account. My account is created and now I am authenticated. I will choose a profile picture. I can change notification preferences, save, and I can create my own server here. My server is created and I automatically became the owner. As you can see, server is listed in here, and inside the server there's a server ID to invite users. I will share this link with my friends to invite them. And now I will create a channel which is handled using the factory pattern. This allows us to create different types of channels. I will create a text channel. Channel is created, and inside this channel at the top right I can see server members, and we will show you how messaging works. When I send a message, all users are notified instantly, which is handled by the observer pattern, and my friend will send me an friend invite. As you can see, notifications working, and I will accept it, and now I can reach a private message with him. Private messaging works. And for the last thing, I will go back to the server settings, and at the server settings you can view members, invite members, manage channels, and I'm going to kick my friend to show you command pattern works. I am the only member now. As you can see, yeah, that's it. Thank you.